In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Linktree for someone else. If you've been asked to set up a Linktree for a client, a colleague, or a friend, this walkthrough will show you exactly how to get the account created on their behalf while keeping the process simple and secure. Before you start, make sure you have their permission and access to the email inbox they want to use, or that they're available to approve a Google or Apple sign-in. Begin by opening your browser and heading to the Linktree website. You can go straight to the admin or links page, and if you aren't signed in yet, Linktree will guide you to create a new account. This keeps everything streamlined so you land right where you'll manage links once the account is verified. If a previous session is active, consider using an incognito window so you don't mix accounts. Next, look to the top right corner and click Sign Up Free. This is the fastest path to creating a new profile without getting sidetracked by other options. The free plan is perfectly fine for getting started. You can always discuss upgrades with the person you're helping later if they need advanced features. Now you'll see a field to enter an email address. Type in the email that belongs to the person you're setting this up for, then click Continue. Use only an address you have explicit permission to use. This email will own the account, receive verification messages, and handle future notifications, so double-check spelling to avoid delays. If you're doing this live with them, it helps to keep their inbox open in another tab. At this point, Linktree will ask you to verify. If you chose email, a one-time code is sent to that inbox. Open the message, copy the code, and paste it into the verification field. Codes are time sensitive, so grab it promptly and enter it exactly as shown. If you prefer not to use email, you can select Continue with Google or Continue with Apple instead. In that case, choose the correct Google or Apple account belonging to the person you're helping and complete the sign-in prompts they approve. Either method securely confirms ownership without creating extra passwords. Once verification is complete, you'll land in the Linktree admin area ready for links to be added. That's it, you've successfully created the account for someone else. Keep their privacy in mind throughout and coordinate any future changes directly with them so the account stays in their control.